Hello.
Hi.
So, what do you do for a living?
More at the call center. Call center? Do you think that will be able to help you pay the rent? Yeah, man, them pay really good. Well, it's not the first time we're renting out the place to anybody. Someone would like for us to communicate more. Alright, no problem. Do you want us to show you the room now? Alright. Babes, you forget to tell her so she could be sharing the kitchen and the bathroom with we. I think she already know that because of the price. Alright then, you ready for see the room now? The place look really nice. My husband set it up. He wanted to make sure that you were comfortable. Thank you very much. Well, anytime you're ready, you can come move in and I'll give you a key. I will see you later, Octavia. It was nice to meet you. So, young lady, would you like to see the rest of the house? Hi, nice to meet you. Yeah, man, nice to meet you too. See you later. May I move out? Loyalty, man. What you mean you move out? I find a new place more suitable for me, so you can be here by yourself and do all that foolishness what you want to do. John Octavia, so you deal with me? You just moving, yeah? 2 years is not exactly just moving, no, is it? Anthony, the new place is way more better for me. You don't want to be by yourself anyways. I guess you're right. Well, more girl can come over here and them can sleep in the room. See, I know you don't like the idea. Plus, I have to pay first and last. I can only pay first. Well, I gotta pack up the rest of my things. And then, off I go.
I just broke with my ex, 'cause now I'm out of single, I don't really know what's next. So I ain't even tripping, I'm jealous if
Like on my last day here. Give me some now.
I just broke up with my ex. You the one I'm feeling, there's a light on your chest. Good conversation got me holding my breath. I don't only say this, but damn, you're the best, best, best. And if it feels right, promise I don't.
Nah, big man thing, Anthony. How much pity you have? To be honest, shoot, but you remember my damn self.
Just let me love
I miss you still.
you. Just let me love
Yeah, man, I miss you too.
you.
Don't worry, man, you're good without me.
Just let me love you. As the rain on your chest, I'll be at it thinking that it was just a guess. Something just keeps telling me you're better than the rest, and I ain't tryna.
Sorry, my late babe. Anthony that help me with something. I take you out of the boy the yard. And you still a chat up to him? He might help me move stuff. What a big deal. What a big deal. You know from when man out here wait for you. I'm say sorry, man. I see where you're going so far. Watch how you talk to me now, girl. I don't want to see you talk back to that boy there, Alright, I'm sorry. Me alone for your fuck you, That's some go eat that boy. Sorry.